Albert Einstein equals mc². Albert Einstein.
Let's start with E.
E.
It stands for energy.
Energy.
Everything is energy. Everything your eyes can see. A twinkling star.
Energy.
A speeding car.
Energy.
A scientist called Faraday
Faraday.
discovered in his lab one day
That one day.
that magnets and electricity
Tricity.
were connected forms of energy.
Energy.
The scientists then all agreed.
All agreed.
They found all forms of energy.
Energy.
But Einstein one day would show
They would show.
an energy they didn't know,
Didn't know.
hidden deep inside of atoms.
We are the ancestors. We are the ancestors. We are the ancestors. We are the ancestors.
Okay, so that is E for energy. And I know what equals means. It means they add up to the same amount. But what about M? What does M stand for?
E equals mc². Albert Einstein equals mc². Albert Einstein.
M is for mass.
M is for mass.
Mass, mass, mass.
Mass, mass, mass.
That's all the stuff you see around.
See around.
The trees, the rocks, your hands, the ground. A couple called Lavoisier
Once a year.
in 1770 found that there
Found that there.
was one thing true for every mass.
Every mass.
Solids, liquids, even gas.
Even gas.
No matter what you do to matter,
Due to matter.
burn it, wet it, make it splatter,
Make it splatter.
nothing's lost and nothing's gained.
Nothing's gained.
The mass will always stay the same.
Stay the same.
So, M is mass and mass is constant. If you take a cup of water and boil it dry, but catch all of the steam and cool it down so it turns back into, can anyone guess? Yes, water. You will have the same amount of water or mass as you started with.
Yes, so now we know E is energy, M is mass, and equals, well, equals. What about C? What does C stand for?
We are the ancestors. We are the ancestors. We are the ancestors. We are the ancestors. Equals mc². Albert Einstein equals mc². Albert Einstein equals mc². Albert Einstein equals mc². Albert Einstein.
C means light,
C means light.
the speed of light.
Speed of light.
Celeritas, that Latin word.
Latin word.
In the song that you just heard,
You just heard.
Albert Einstein as a child
As a child.
looked at light and was beguiled.
Was beguiled.
He knew that somehow light must be
Light must be.
connected to mass and energy.
Energy.
Einstein worked out something strange,
Something strange.
that if light speed never changed,
Never changed.
then time itself moved in funny ways,
Funny ways.
and mass and energy must be the same.
We are the ancestors. We are the ancestors. We are the ancestors. We are the ancestors. Equals mc². Albert Einstein equals mc². Albert Einstein equals mc². Albert Einstein equals mc². Albert Einstein.
The last part is squared.
Squared, squared, squared.
Like 2 squared is 4.
And 3 squared is 9.
It's the little 2 you see,
2 you see.
floating up above the sea.
Above the sea.
The name that you will learn today
Learn today.
is Emily du Châtelet,
Châtelet.
a woman who at 23
23.
in the 18th century
Century.
showed the energy of a falling ball.
Falling ball.
Wasn't just mass times speed at all.
Speed and all.
To find the energy, she said,
She said,
the ball's speed must be squared.
must be squared.
Albert Einstein was inspired
Was fine.
and took the knowledge he acquired,
He acquired
he used all of his inspiration
inspiration.
to join them all in one equation.
One equation.
Equals mc², Albert Einstein. Equals mc², Albert Einstein. Equals mc², Albert Einstein. Equals mc², Albert Einstein. We are the ancestors. We are the ancestors. The ancestors. The ancestors. The ancestors. The ancestors. The ancestors.